New skin products, Wild Rose, Tarte, plus more Insta lifts. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On this channel we cover everything from skincare to makeup to fashion and travel, anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, over the past week or so, I've gotten in several new skincare products. This one is from Wild Rose Beauty. Of course, I tried several of their products before, including this anti-aging oxygen serum and the Daily Glow Moisturizer. Love them both. Looking at this Wild Rose Restore Stem Cell Cream, I was really happy to read the ingredients and find that they're mostly organic, plant-based ingredients. Everything is natural. The top ingredient was listed as organic aloe, organic cocoa butter, the plant-based stem cells. It includes niacinamide, various vitamins and peptides. Very natural, very clean, very minimum smell to this one. This one was a little more fragrant, but again, it's also plant-based stem cells. And this one is more liquidy, so I think it was a really good morning cream. This one really works best as a night cream. However, today I decided to try it under makeup as well. Now the next product I'm testing is something I got from the Ulta sample sizes rack. It's Tarte Double Duty Beauty. This is a hydrating primer, combination primer and moisturizer. It's especially good to go under Tarte products, but I think you could pretty much use it under any makeup products. This, according to the box, 12-hour hydration, smooth, soothes, and plumps appearance, improves and extends foundation wear, infused with coconut and jojoba vitamin E. So I put this on today. It's been about 8 hours since I put on my makeup, and I do feel like it kept the foundation moist, kept it in place. So yeah, I'm really liking this as well. I think it's going to be among my favorite primers. And of course, over the years, I've tried pretty much every kind of instant lift product I found. One of my favorites I did a review on last month was the Serious Skincare Instatox. Really like that. Another one I really liked was this Beverly Hills Instant Eye Tuck and Dark Circle Treatment. Well, I just tried another product from the same company. This one is newer, supposed to be an improved version of that. This is the V-Lift B-Venom Instant Eye Lift. It has a lot of the same products. Still looking at it, the top ingredients are sodium silicate and magnesium aluminum silicate. So still the same basics as this, but it adds B-Venom. And if you've ever used lip plumping products, you know that B-Venom is one of the things that's used to plump the lips. So basically, I think the idea is it's to plump the skin. According to the website, this supposedly stimulates collagen and nourishes the skin while performing this instant lift treatment. Now the other new Insta Lift product, this one is a little bit different. This is called Le Corps Paris Instant Eye Lift, Eye Puffiness and Wrinkle Reducer. It comes in this nice deluxe box. And it's in this, looks like a little injector. Now, according to this, we created our best-selling Instant Eye Lift formula to drastically reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and under-eye puffiness in a matter of minutes. Now, this one is infused with hydrolyzed collagen shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and soothing ingredients like aloe vera and cucumber extract. And I noticed when listening to the ingredients, the aloe and other types of extracts are listed before the sodium silicate and magnesium silicate, which are the tightening ingredients that, do not really have any nutritional value. They just temporarily tighten the skin. So this one apparently does have more nutritional products that are the primary ingredients. Something else I liked about this one, it said for best results, apply a very thin amount to clean skin. But it also says can be used as the last step of your skincare routine or may be used on its own. So as the last step, I take that to mean after makeup. And I've been trying that, and so far it works. And this has become my favorite because of that factor. First thing I'm going to try on a clean face is V-Lift B-Venom Instant Eye Lift. This is by Beverly Hills Same company that makes this Instant Eye Tuck and Dark Circle Treatment. On the finger, it looks very much like the other products. However, it says to leave this longer. Most of them it says about 3 minutes. This one is supposed to leave for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to put this on. I'll do a little around there too. And I'm going to get dressed while it dries. Okay, well, it's been 10 minutes. All of my lines are kind of frozen right now. But let's see how long they'll last. I'm going to use the Wild Rose Anti-Aging Oxygen Serum. I just ordered a refill in this because I used it up the first time I ordered it, and I love this product. Yeah, this is just full of all kinds of nutrients that are really good for your skin. Basically, I've loved everything I've tried from Whitney Rose's brand. And now I'm going to use the newest thing I bought from Wild Rose. This is the Restore Stem Cell Cream. It's primarily a night cream. I've used it the past couple of nights and love the way it makes my skin feel. But it also says can be used under makeup after applying serums. So I'm going to try a little bit of this under makeup today. And this is rich, thick, creamy moisturizer. Okay, I also put on a little sunscreen off camera, and you'll notice the plumping, freezing effect has sort of worn off a little bit. Now I'm going to try the next new product I got. This is from Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And this is both a moisturizer and a primer. And I always like Tarte products. When I found a sample size of this, I decided to go ahead and try it. Okay, and this is just a white, creamy base. And start with like the under eyes, the forehead. And I'm going to use this under the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. And this is this nice, thick, almost whipped feeling foundation. Use my IT brush to apply this foundation. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape over this primer that I used under my eyes. I really love this concealer brush from the Angie Hot and Flashy collection. It really makes this concealer go on much smoother. Okay, well, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup. I'll be right back, and I will show you the other new Insta-Lift product that I bought. Now, the final new product I'm talking about today is this Liqueur Spa Collection Instant Eye Lift Eye Puffiness and Wrinkle Reducer. And this is the box, and this is the actual product. And while all of these say use on a clean skin, this one says can be used as the last step of your skincare routine. So this one apparently can be used on top of makeup. And the texture of it, it's a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter. It's not as jellied, just sort of a little like a lotion. And basically after all of my makeup, including a little bit of setting spray, I reapply this. And of all the Insta-Lift products I've used, this one seems to work the best over makeup. I've been using it for several days. Unlike the others, it does not leave any kind of a flakiness or a crustiness. You can just put it on top of your makeup and let it dry. In conclusion, I'm really liking all of these products. Wild Rose Beauty, I love the brand. I think Whitney Rose really is onto something with this. It's great products, natural ingredients. It really makes my skin feel fresh and soft. I've been using this for 3 nights now at night, and I wake up with my skin feeling nice and soft. Today I used it under makeup. It worked in that way as well. I probably will be, in the long run, using it more as a night cream. And this product by Tarte, it's a hydrating primer, so it kind of includes like primer and moisturizer. I am really liking that, particularly if you want to keep it kind of light, what you put under your makeup. Basically this and a sunscreen, and it pretty much does the job. And again, as far as these Insta Talk products, this one It is good. It is the bee venom. I don't have it yet determined whether the long-term effects of the bee venom are going to be beneficial, but overall, first thing in the morning, dry skin, it tightens it up. Again, when you put on your makeup and your moisturizers, it loses some of the effect. But overall, it is a good product, up there among the best of these type of products. And I think my favorite of all of the Instalift products right now is this El Corparis, because it does have more moisturizers, nutrients. They're actually ahead in the ingredients list over the sodium silicate. Plus, it really works on top of your makeup without leaving any powder or flakiness. So yeah, this is one of my favorites now. I'm going to include links below to all of the products that I demonstrated today. If you have a favorite or if you have something new you'd like for me to try, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.